Hello YouTube, I'm back with another Twice unboxing. Another used copy, but I did get Taste of Love. And then here's the tracks. Oh, it's shiny. I like that. Very cool. I got all the girls up front here. Very cool. Oh, so is this, oh, this is something smaller. So let's, oh, we did get quite a bit in here. I wonder if it's like my other one where I got a photo card of each girl, but as for this, we got Mina. Ooh. And here, oh wait, what's this? Is it supposed to stay stuck? Hold on. Oh. We're supposed to, oh. What kind of, oh. What's on it? Oh, that's very cool. Okay, let's get out all these. Another one. I might put my phone down, or maybe not. Oh, I got him. We got everyone. Go through them one at a time. So colorful. That's my girl Geo. I'm loving her dress. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, group photo. Very nice. You do get a lot in this one, just like the last one I got. This is, I still can't get over this. This is really cool. Whale. Okay, but this is like the container for all of that, I'm guessing. And then is the disc. Oh, wait, what else? Whoa, hold on. Wait, we got even more. Cool, we got a bigger one. We got Momo up in here. Oh, that's so cool. Look at this, summertime. I wish it's winter and snow where I'm at right now, but still, that's really cool. You got all this stuff here. And the way it was packaged was really cool. I'll have to put them back that way when I'm done looking at everything. All right, what do we got in here? There's the disc. Oh, so you get a member disc. So I got Nyan. Oh gosh, that's so cool. Am I saying her name wrong? I always forget if it's Nyan or Nayon, but I love her. I'm sorry. I hate how bad I am at pronouncing names, especially in K-pop. But that is so cool. You get like a member-specific disc. That's really cool. Oh, photo book. Oh gosh, clumsy me. Have them in the back. Che. I said this in the last Twice unboxing, but I love her eyes. They're so beautiful. I love it. I love how sparkly everything is and colorful. Again, sparkly again. Look at this. Very, very cool. Oh, look at it. No, seriously, I love the photo concept or planning that went into this, into these photo shoots. I really like the backgrounds, how sparkly everything is. Staring me down here. So cool. Like seriously, how do they come up with what material to put behind them? Like, whoever does that as their job, props to you. Like, that's so cool. And close up. More group stuff. group photo. Oh, how beautiful. These girls are just so pretty. Seriously. So pretty. Right, Chewy? Speaking of girls looking pretty, there's my girl Geo. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Woo! My bias is just killing it. Love it. Another close-up. There is Sana Sana. Oh, that's cool. That little see-through rose, so sparkly. Again, everything is just colorful and sparkles. Oh, like the slight fadedness of this. It's like slightly faded. That's cool. I love the group photos so much too. There's just something about them all being together. Anytime I look at a photo album, I like seeing all of them together. Oh, track lists along with all of them. I am loving this picture right here. Hang on. Girl, stunning. Oh, gosh, clumsy me again. Anyways, you're stunning. Very nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, looks great. I love the bows and the hair. Whoa, another like kind of blurriness kind of effect. Very cool. And this one, I don't think so. Just making sure I didn't miss any. I don't think so. Hopefully not. Other than the group one at the front. Got it for sure. Wow, just like the last one, you get a lot. Lots. I wasn't as chatty in this one, I'm sorry. It is Saturday morning when I record this. I slept in way more than I should. Now I'm really tired still, I guess. Throw off my sleeping pattern, but I'll have to put these back the way they were packaged because that was really cool. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.